Here I am now a team lead for Boxfan. And all my past jobs, I've been a trainer. I've been someone that enjoys teaching people things. I really enjoy seeing, not only showing them how to do something, but later on having them train someone else on how to do it and being confident that they know what they're doing. I'm a big believer that if you know why we're doing things, not only are you more likely to do it correctly, but you tend to have more pride in it. Knapheide itself wants you to learn as much as possible. And eventually, the more you learn, something I tell everyone when I'm walking them through, the more you learn, the cooler things you get to do, such as traveling to other places, whether it's for training or for teaching other people how to do stuff. Getting to know your team is just as important as training them. Knowing them on a personal level allows you to, I think, have a better rapport with everyone. It makes everyone want to work harder. Best advice I can give is that you'll get as much as you want out of this company, but you have to push yourself. There's plenty of learning opportunities, tons of training. Even now that I'm a team lead, there's different trainings that I still do on how to lead my team better, on how to communicate better with people. I'm John Wheatley, and I'm a team lead at the box body department at Knapheide.